So Dylan is taking me to this secret spot which has like this secret tree. So let's go check it out. Dylan, where are we going?
We are going to Wisdom Tree.
So what's the Wisdom Tree?
Wisdom Tree is a tree up in the Hollywood Hills. It has a journal underneath where everybody writes their dreams.
Oh wait, it has a journal? Like I don't have to bring my own journal?
It has one underneath, yeah.
Okay, so we can read up on other people. So I thought you were gonna like burn it or something. Like nobody.
No.
Check out this awesome view. Dylan, we made it. We made it.
We made it. Inception.
What do you think? So this is the tree. This is the wisdom tree that we hiked. Dylan said 10 minutes. It was way longer than 10 minutes, but I can't complain because this is freaking awesome. Check it out. So I guess there's supposed to be like a notebook. Let's go look. Oh, look at all these journals. Let's read some of these. Check out all these notebooks. Text your ex back training. Oh yeah, this is the real journal.
Oh, there's some legit stuff in here.
Alright, let's read. Reading time with Dylan, read to us.
Be grateful, be happy where you are, and pray, and pray some more. You are beautiful just the way you are.
Bruno Mars.
Be the best version of your higher self, you deserve it.
Wow, that's good, that's good. Is this all her journal or?
No, different people.
I made it, Christian.
Let's see.
I agree with you.
Here we go. Hello to whoever comes across these words. I hope you are feeling loved right now in this moment above all of the chaos and unpredictable mess this world has to offer. I hope you feel loved and appreciated. I hope you feel loved by yourself, and if you don't, this is a great place to choose to work on it. You deserve love, you deserve hope, you deserve happiness, and if all else fails, I love you. 4718 by Katya.
That's sweet.
Dear future friend, I hope this message finds you well. I wanted to let you know that all that you are seeking for is already within you. I hope that your dreams come true, and I hope that you experience love, and I hope that you remain authentic in who you truly are. May all things prosper, and may you live the best life ever. Lots of love, your future friend, Charles.